Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cowboy Trades, and today I'm going to show you how to stake Solana for passive income using the Phantom wallet. If you haven't heard of Solana before, it's a proof of stake blockchain built to enable super fast apps, programs and transactions for its ecosystem. Now, staking Solana is a process in which you assign your voting rights to a validator in exchange for approximately 7% APY, or annual percent yield. These validators then use your voting rights to verify whether a transaction on the blockchain is good or a bad one. Now, one important thing to know is that when you're staking your Solana with a validator, let's say we stake with Shinobi Systems, they cannot steal or withdraw your SOL. Validators only have access to your voting rights, and you can withdraw that access by unstaking your SOL at any time. Now we know what Solana staking is, let's head over to phantom.app so we can make a staking wallet. You can use any browser you want. I'm just going to use Brave. Just click download and it should pop up. Now our Phantom extension is downloaded, we're going to want to click create new wallet, and we're going to want to write down on paper these 12 words here. These 12 words are our secret recovery phrase, and we'll need them if we ever need to recover our account or log in from a different device. If you lose this phrase, your entire account will be lost forever. And if anyone gets a hold of these 12 words, they'll be able to have complete access to your account. So make sure nobody sees this and you store it in a safe place. Continue, and then just click a password, any password. And create. Now what we're going to want to do is click the top right extensions and click on Phantom Wallet. And we've logged into our wallet. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to come over to stakeview.app so we can look at the Solana validator performance rankings and pick a validator. There's two different things that you should take into account when picking a validator. Number one is the APY. You obviously want to pick one with a high APY and low fees so you can earn as much as you can. The second thing is you want to pick one with a low stake so you help decentralize the network. For example, if we look at Replicant, they have the highest APY and they only have 270,000 Solana staked, so they're reasonably low. If we look at the next one down, we can see that there's a 4.5 million stake, 700,000 stake, and 1 million stake. So what we're going to do for this video is we're going to stake with Replicant. Now for the rest of this video, I'm going to be using my main Phantom account as it's already got some active funds in, and I'll show you how to stake and unstake. When you first arrive, you're not going to have any funds in here, so you're going to want to click this up here. This is your address and you can copy it to your clipboard. You need to go to a centralized exchange such as Coinbase, Binance or Crypto.com, buy your Solana and send it to your wallet. Once you've sent it, it should appear here, and all you need to do is click on your Solana. And then you click your stake. As you can see, I've got an active stake here that I can unstake if I want to, but for the purpose of this, I'll show you how to make a new stake. Now all we're going to want to do is click Stake Solana, and we're going to type in the name of the validator that we've chosen. In this case, it's going to be Replicant. Now just a bit of advice, if you click on max, it will probably not let you put it all in because you need to keep some Solana in your wallet for gas fees. So I'm going to put just underneath the maximum amount, and it should create us a staking wallet. If this doesn't go through in like 5 or 10 seconds, simply click close, back out, go into your stake account, and it should be activating. Now you can see that I've got two different staking positions in my Phantom wallet. One which is active, that was activated at the start of this epoch, and one which is activating currently, which will be activated at the end of the epoch, which is roughly 2.5 days from now. An epoch is simply a period of time in computing. For Solana, this is roughly 2.5 to 3 days. At the end of every epoch, all stakes which are going through the activating phase will be turned into active. Alternatively, if you've got an active stake and you want to cancel it and withdraw your funds, you will have your funds withdrawn to you at the end of the epoch. Rewards also paid every epoch, which is 2 to 3 days. Now if we want to cancel an activating stake or an active stake, we simply click it and click unstake, and it unstakes. And as you can see, Sol is unstaked. We click close and it's turned into inactive. We simply click withdraw Solana and this is withdrawn. We were able to withdraw this because it wasn't activated before the epoch. Simply close and our Solana has been returned to our wallet. Now finally, I just want to show you a quick and useful formula how you can accurately calculate your APY. Let's say we were to put a £1,000 investment into the DIX validator. If we divide our investment by 100, we'll find out what 1% of our investment is worth. If we then times it by our estimated APY, which is 5.11%, we'll find out what our interest should be yearly, which is £51.01. But as you can see, if we scroll up, the DIX service takes a 7% commission on what we earn. So we'll need to minus 7% from this. If we do what we did again and divide our profit by 100, we'll find out what 1% of our profit is. If we then times this by 93, this is 100 take away 7%. And you'll see that we'll be making £47.52 every single year. And there we go. We now know how to take self-custody of our Solana using our private keys on the Phantom network, and we also know how to delegate our Solana to a validator to earn APY. Thank you for coming and watching my channel. It's been Cowboy Trades. I'm out.